What's up guys? Today I will be unboxing the DeLonghi Stilosa coffee maker and the Anko coffee grinder. First, let's unbox the Anko coffee grinder. It has a 36 gram capacity, stainless steel blades, and a stainless steel inner tank. I was a little rough of unboxing this. Anyways, let's get this, I don't have the lid. Let's get the main machine out of the box. It's pretty hard. 1 second. Okay, so the main machine is out of the box. It has the main machine, the lid, and the instruction manual. Okay, I got the coffee grinder plugged in. Let's turn it on. Wow, I think it's really got that power. Okay, now we will be unboxing the DeLonghi Stilosa espresso and cappuccino coffee maker. I found the instruction manual. I don't know what this is, but it is a coffee machine accessory. So this is what you get in the box. The coffee machine itself, instructions, and 4 other accessories. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Anko coffee grinder and the DeLonghi Stilosa coffee machine. Make sure you subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.